Okay, people, you are going to want to stick around for this one. I am talking about Buzz Peel today. This is a magical new product from Perfectly Posh, and you're going to want to see what this thing does. It's amazing. Do you see this? Skin Resurfacing Honey Body Peel. It's part of our new Believe line. They all have honey. Let me tell you a little bit about what it is and what it does, and then I'm going to put on a show. Formulated with fermented honey, pomegranate enzymes, and AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, this peel collects dead, dry skin to resurface and reveal softer, smoother skin underneath. Apply generous amount on clean, dry skin and work gel in small, gentle circles over selected areas. Now, I'm told, once you get started, you're gonna wanna do it all over your whole body. Let's start with my hand, shall we? This is the first time I'm using this. There we go. First application right here. It's a clear gel. It has a honey scent because there's real honey in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can feel the little dead skin balls forming. It's so gross. Do you see this? It's so gross, but so amazing. Oh my goodness. I just, ugh. Ooh, it feels so smooth, like baby skin. And it just has this very, very light, natural honey scent. Do we see a difference here? I can feel the difference in my hands. This is the smooth one. This one's a little rougher. And you guys, I mean, I'm a Posh user. My hands are soft, but you saw that. You saw that, right? Let's do more. Okay, I wore a V-neck for a reason. This area right here feels bumpy. No matter what I do, I'll use body scrubs in the shower, I'll use snarky bars. Day or two later, this area right here, so bumpy. How do you say that? Is it decolletage? 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 So I am just going to apply to this area right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can feel the skin balls. Do I keep saying skin balls? Okay. I am trying to let you see what's happening. Well, it's working. It's definitely working. Now, the cool thing about this is you don't need water. It's not a aggressive scrub. It's the AHAs and the honey and the pomegranate extract that just magically make your skin smooth out. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Nice. It just reveals like softer, smoother, fresh skin. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't sting. It has a super light scent, like I said. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna show you guys my arms. Not a part of my body I love. I've always had issues with the skin. My arms are always red on the back. And if you look real close, I've got all this meh. Now, I went gluten-free 5 years ago. The actual bumpy texture of the back of my arms has gone way down. My arms feel pretty smooth. There's just a little bit of bumpiness, just a little bit. Way better than it used to be. But I'm told that Buzz Peel works wonders on this situation. It's the first time I'm doing this. I can feel it forming. Oh, you can see it. Do you see this? This is my skin. Oh my gosh. Okay. I predict that this stuff is going to fly off the shelves. Look at that difference. Wow. disgusting and awesome. I'm gonna save you guys from watching me rub any other part of my body, but I'm definitely gonna use this guy on my feet. In my last video, I talked about our self-tanner, fake it till you make it, and how you should exfoliate before you self-tan. Match made in heaven. I'm the smoothest girl in the world. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more fun stuff coming from Posh. There are so many new, exciting, super fun products for spring, and I want to talk to you about all of them. We have more honey products as well, including a face mask that is coming very soon, so be on the lookout. Maybe a little bit of this, some other face masks, perhaps some new stress relieving products, some yummy new hand creams. You need the buzz peel. You need the buzz peel. Do you remember that kid in 3rd grade that would put the glue all over their hand and then let it dry and they'd peel it off? Tag them in this video. They need this stuff in their lives. Who remembers rubber cement? Is that still around? Is that a thing? Well, this smells way better than that.